Hi guys. I just got off a call with my cousin Kuya Ray. We had a really long chat. I asked him how he was and how I was. So he's in the US, he's in Florida, he's with his family there. He's doing great, and so am I. I'm still looking for a job, by the way. So we had a long chat about what I should do now since no one's responding to my applications. So we had this idea that I should start selling something or selling a product. So during our discussion, I said, maybe I should sell churros since I went to a bread and pastry course. And he said, yeah, why not do that? Like, do something you want to do, you know? So today I'm going to buy some ingredients and show you guys how I'm going to do the churros. So, hello everyone. I'm at Woolworths, or Woolies as they call it here. There's a couple of things that I need, like butter, eggs, sugar, salt. Some of the ingredients I already have at home. The one thing I need, I think, is all-purpose flour. So we're gonna look for that. Maybe some butter as well. I think I need butter, unsalted butter. Now we also need some oil. So I think I'll just use vegetable oil for now. So we're also gonna need some all-purpose flour. Here in Australia, they call it plain flour. So we're gonna need that. So we're also gonna need some chocolate for our sauce. We need some cream for the dip. And cinnamon for our coating. Finally, we need our piping kit. So they have a piping bag kit here with 5 bags and 4 nozzles. So that's perfect. So I paid $23.85. Should be good. So I'm back home. So quick rundown or ingredients. So first is plain flour, vegetable oil, unsalted butter, chocolate, Cadbury, cream, some piping materials, and cinnamon powder. That's all I bought, but some of the ingredients I already have, like the salt. I already have salt and sugar. So for your information, I'm not using any measuring tools to do this, so it's all gonna be just a filling. Okay, so we have our pan. So what we're gonna do first is pour some water in. A cup of water, they said. That should be 1 cup. So excuse my angle. I don't have a camera stand. So next is butter. You're gonna put this much. I don't know how much that is, but I'm gonna do this much. Next is sugar. So I'm gonna do like 3 tablespoons or maybe 4. I'll do 5 tablespoons. I don't think that's enough. I'm gonna do 1 more. So I did 7 teaspoons. Like, very small. Next will be salt. So maybe just a pinch of salt. And that should be enough. So I need to boil this and let the butter melt, and then we're gonna add the all-purpose flour or the plain flour. So this is what it looks like now. The butter is starting to melt. Now that the butter is melted, it's time to add some all-purpose flour. By the way, I turned off the heat for this one. While I'm pouring the all-purpose flour, I'm gonna mix it. So I think I did something wrong with my mixture. Because yeah, it's not supposed to look that way. I've already added some flour and butter, and I've already tasted it, and it's okay. So I'm just gonna let it cool down for now and see how it goes. So guys, I think I messed up my mixture, so we're gonna try it again with, I think I'm gonna put less water and less butter, because I think I put too much. So yeah, let's try again. So first is water, and then a little bit of butter, and a little bit more. Yeah, this is pretty hard without measurement tools.
Kumusta ang ating finished product side?
Inulit ko.
Ah?
Inulit ko.
Bakit?
Masyadong wet yung mixture.
Nag-from the scratch ka?
Ulit.
Magaling ka pala talaga, no?
Mali nga eh. Okay, so salt. So I already put sugar, salt, butter in the mixture. Should be it. And then melt it again, and then put some flour. Now that the butter's been melted properly and together with the sugar, we're now going to pour in the flour. Okay, so I think this is way better now. The texture is better than the last time. The last one was really wet. So look at that. Oh, looks perfect. Now we only need to put in some eggs. So I'm gonna wait for this to cool down before putting in the eggs. And this one looks better than the last one. And this is pretty hard. We don't have measuring tools. But we can do it. It's possible. It's fucking possible. Okay, so now we're gonna put in our egg. We're just gonna use one egg now. So the mixture is ready. So now I'm gonna pipe it. Oops. Okay. Looks really good. Yeah, look at that. That looks really good. So now I'm gonna prepare the vegetable oil and fry it. So next we're gonna fry our churros. So what I have here is vegetable oil. And that should be enough. We're gonna let this oil boil before putting in our churros. Okay, so the oil's hot enough now, I think. So it's time to pipe. Ah, I want to show you guys, but I have to do this quickly. So this is how it looks. They're really small, but that's all the piping tip I have. So this is the final product. It's actually really good. I've tasted them. They're quite small. They look a lot like fries, but they're really good. Okay, so we have here the cinnamon powder, sugar. I'm gonna mix this up. Then we're gonna put in the churros. It's pretty fucking good.